Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ba'd. Welcome back everybody to our lessons. In today's lesson, we will be learning about a new haraka, a diacritic. Remember, a diacritic is a symbol that appears above or beneath the letter. In today's lesson, the haraka that we are learning appears beneath the letter. And you'll see it here. The haraka known as al-Kasra looks identical to the Fatha, except that it appears at the bottom. And when it appears at the bottom, it's going to have a different sound. So, Alif with a Fatha is pronounced as A, but Alif with a Kasra is pronounced as E. Notice, however, with this particular letter, Alif, that the Hamza no longer appears above the letter. Since it has a Kasra, that Hamza will appear beneath the letter. And one other thing to point out here, before I pronounce all the letters with Kasra, is the Ra. Remember we said that the Ra can sometimes be bold and sometimes it's light. Well, when Ra has a Kasra, it is going to be light. And you'll hear that as we pronounce the letters. To begin, E, B, T, Th, G, He, Khi, D, Thee, Ri. I want to say this one again. Ri. Don't pronounce it as Ri. Z, Si, She, Si, Di, Ti, Thi, I, Ghi, Fi, Qi, Ki, Li, Mi, Ni, We, He, Ye. Very good. We're going to move on to the next segment in this video, and that is pronouncing some words that have Kasra. Let's begin with the first word. A, Thi, Ma, Athima, Athima. Next word. Ra, Bi, Ha, Rabiha, Rabiha. Next word. Sha, Hi, Da, Shahida, Shahida. Next word. Sa, Khi, Ra, Sakhira, Sakhira. Next word. Wa, Ri, A, Wari'a, Wari'a. Next line. A, Zi, Fa, Azifa, Azifa. Next word. Za, Ri, Fa, Zarifa, Zarifa. Next word. Sha, Bi, A, Shabi'a, Shabi'a. Next word. Sa, Fi, Ha, Safiha, Safiha. Next word. Wa, Zi, Ra, Wazira, Wazira. Next line. A, Thi, Na, Adina, Adina. Next word. Ra, Ghi, Ba, Raghiba, Raghiba. Next word. Sha, Ri, Ba, Shariba, Shariba. Next word. Sa, Mi, A, Sami'a, Sami'a. Next word. Wa, Ji, La, Wajila, Wajila. Next word. A, Ri, Ja, Arija, Arija. Next word. Ra, Ki, Ba, Rakiba, rakiba. Next word. Sha, qi, ya. Shaqiya, shaqiya. Next word. Sa, li, ma. Salima, salima. Final word. Wa, ri, ma. Warima, warima. Very good. This ends this video, and inshallah we will see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.